You know, every now and then we come across a product and it just dazzles us and we know we're going to use it. We came across this amazing wood product, and I'm going to show you how thin it is. And we knew we wanted to use it, but we had to stabilize it, right? Because there was no way to make a topper out of this. So what better way to stabilize something like this? A piece of wood with another piece of wood. So what we've done is we've created wood toppers. We're not putting this on acrylic. It would totally go against everything I believe in. So this is our full wood collection, and I'm gonna go over all the colors on the topper and then in the full sheet. But before I do, something fun I wanted to show you. This is our abalone, and this too, guys, look at that. So when we get these paper thin products, it's so scary. We just wanna always make sure that they're applied on something that's going to stabilize it so you can enjoy them, right? So here we go. This is the first color. It is sage, and you could see that shimmer. And all the colors have a beautiful variation. So this is the sage, and this is the full sheet of sage. Next up, this one is gorgeous. It's the red. And the full sheet of red. Now we do have two gray variations, one darker and one lighter. This is the darker of the two. It's called charcoal. And this is the full sheet of charcoal. And this is the lighter of the two. It is the platinum. And this is the platinum sheet. This is a midnight blue. It is gorgeous. And the full sheet of midnight blue. And last is the cinnamon. Again, guys, the full collection is on the website called Wood. Hello. Rock on.